Model 2015 Fiat Doblo Maxi Combi Diesel Estate 1.6 Multijet Active 5DR Body, Blue, Panel Van Mileage, 90,793 MOT, 10 January 2024 Engine, 1,598 cc 198 A3000, E5, a transmission, 6-speed manual, front-wheel drive mechanical summary, starts perfect. Runs perfect. Gearbox perfect, flywheel is noisy and needs replacing. Still drives perfectly fine and there are no warning lights whatsoever. Grin condition summary, bodywork is in decent, average condition. Interior is in decent, average condition. Rear load area is in decent, average condition, genuine honest work van. Features: 1 former keeper, full service history, electric windows, parking sensors EU status, Euro 5 HPI, clear cap retail, 5,995.